Okay, so we continue some. Okay, so if you cannot follow, also can follow the tutorial. Okay, so now we wanted. Okay, continue. Look at the this one. Okay, if you lost, you also can follow my document. No issue. Okay, so 在哪里哦? Okay, now you need to update your inventory script because we wanted to refresh the inventory, right? But this one, okay, we update first lah, huh? So the updated part, you see we are using the interface of Unity Engine and we are using the TM Pro here. So this one, okay? And we have the same thing, but we are adding the inventory panels and also our slot prefab because later it will be instantiate our slot when we collect the things, right? Okay, so this one is the same. Okay, but for our add items here, we will need to refresh our UI. And okay, we need to, this one is just for checking and displaying on it. If you don't want, also can comment it lah. Okay, just I wanted to check it. Is it we have item or not? So this one remain the same and this one will remain the same. We just adding this refresh UI here because we wanted to when we add every time we pick up, so it will refresh our UI. Okay, so for each this one is to destroy everything first because if you didn't destroy, next time you add in the new things, right? So he will be stacked. He will be cloned the behind one. So it will be very confusing. So we need to destroy all our panels first. Okay, and then we only add in. So this one is he checking all the entry. This one for each actually it's just like for loops. Okay, but this one for each is he didn't miss one of the items. He cannot miss. So it will be every. So the pattern is will be in item is in this array lah. So this arrays is items is our dictionary here. Can see our items here. Okay, our items here. So he will be for loops all the items all the entry here. So this one is our items equals to the entry dot key. Okay, and the count. Okay, entry dot values. How many values? So this is our dictionary, right? Okay. So now, so this one is our slot. So later we need to prepare the prefab for our slot. Okay, so we instantiate our prefab inside our panels. Okay, in our panels. So our panels, this one, we will tell the location where which one is our panels. So this one. Okay, and we'll have a prefab for our slot. Okay, so we'll scroll this one. Okay, so if we don't have the icon, we don't have the count, so it will tell you you have the errors cannot found lah. Okay, so this one you want it or not also can, but for safety we'll have writing because we wanted to check is it our errors or not lah. Okay, so this one is your image. Okay, for your icon. Okay, so your icon and then this one is a text, TM Pro text for our count, how many items that we have for our apple, for our orange, and for our banana. So if the icon is not equals now, so the icon and bubbles is true, the sprite will be equals to the icon name or the items dot icon. Just now we have the icon, right? So at the startings for our script here, we have the sprite icon here. So we no need to tell what is the icon every time. So it will automatically come up with the icon. Okay, automatically, So this one, okay, remove the sorry. Okay, and then this one, okay, you will come up with the item and then it will directly, okay, come up with the count.toString. So it will be the text directly is how much already. So we don't need to do much things. It's very easy. So we already have this script. We just update it only. Okay, you can copy your script, this one. Okay, and you open your inventory script. You just paste this to update it. Update all of it. Okay. This one can. Okay, after this you go to here again. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, so we need to come out with the canvas and your panels inventory, your slot and your icon and your count. It's just something like this. You need to come out with this one, and the hierarchy should be like this. Okay. Oh, one more thing I forgot to add in. Later I will add in. Okay, so right click here, you go to your UI, you own one canvas. Okay, after that we have the UI and our panels, and our panels here, you can see is very big, right? So you can see it entire. So actually you can make it like smaller a bit. Our panel maybe will just like this size. Okay, 0.5. Okay, for your panel, this step I forgot already writing in the my website. So you follow here lah. Okay, add components. You search for a grid. Search for this grid. Okay, choose this grid layout group. Okay, choose this one. Okay, so this one padding here. Okay, you see if you didn't modify your padding your slot will starting here. Okay, never mind, we create one slot first. Okay, we create a UI for image. Is this one? We can make it as a slot, and this one you can make it as your background. You can make it as your background. Okay, you can make it as your backgrounds. Okay, and then you right click UI. Okay, and then you can have for image, and this image is icon. Your icon must be right this, because later our script here, okay, it will check this one. It will check the name of the icon here, finds the icon. So you must write icon here, ICON with the case sensitive. So exactly I small cases here. Okay, and slot here, UI, and you have the text here, and we name it import first. Import first. Okay, and this one you need to put it as a count, exactly the same class, so must be exactly same like this. Okay, so now you done already for everything. This one, okay, your panel remembers to add in the grid, grid layout. So you can see your counts here. He will come out here. Put it black colors so you can see, and you can put your text. Okay, you can put your text aside this one a bit. Okay, go down. Okay, maybe you put a 99, something like that, or a 0 here. Okay, put it here. So now it's roughly like this. And then okay, so into go to your inventory here. You tell that this is your panels. This is your panels, and this your slot must be make it as a prefab. So you can put it in a prefab here, or you can put it in prefab here. So you write your UI. Normally people will have a folder for UI prefab So UI prefabs. Okay, so here is your slot. So select your slot and drop it down. So now you have your slot here. Okay. Okay, so now we test our system, see any error or not. If you have error, we need to fix that. Okay, so we need to go to our inventory. So our slot, we need to put it here. We need to put inside. Forgot already. Okay, so try again. Okay, see your apples is over here. Okay, your banana, but you see your inventory, they are stick together. Can see or not? So you see they don't have space. So how about we wanted to make it space? you go to your grid here, you go to your panels here, your grid layout. I put it 100, okay, so it will be have a space with it. So the top down, okay, and the spacing I put in 150, so it will be have a spacing after that lah. Okay, so now we try again. So for our inventory, so now you can see you can have like this, a pose, okay, a pose, so two banana. Oh, you can adjust the space lah. If not, right now the space I think is too far already, right? So you can adjust again. So the spacing maybe you can put 100. Do you feel comfortable for 100? Or you prefer 80? Okay, so you can do adjustment, okay, based on the inventory lah. Okay, so now you can have the display here already lah. No? So at the start you see we already have the inventory. Okay, so later we can do hide and show the inventory. Okay, so when we press the I, so the inventory will show. If I'm not pressing the I, the inventory is not showing. Okay. Okay. 1点点。